cup of salt water can actually make electricity. Hi, I'm Easy.
Hi, I'm Shosha and welcome to iCat's Kids Lab.
Today, we're testing a saltwater battery.
Science is so much fun. Come build it with us. Let's start making it. Red clip on the magnesium strip, black clip on the aluminum strip. Put it in, all done. Wow, big brother, look at the saltwater battery I made. It doesn't plug in and it doesn't even use batteries.
Wow, that's awesome!
Now let's test it and see whether we can make the little light bulb turn on.
Okay, little sis, we have most of a cup of water here. You pour the water from that pretty cup, and I'll add the salt.
Okay, pouring it into the cup.
Okay. Look, all the salt is in. Now, hand me the water.
Why isn't the light bulb glowing? Big brother, I'll stir it. Stir, stir, so the salt can dissolve.
Now, let's place the electrodes in and see whether it lights up.
Moment of truth. 3, 2, 1, chuck them in.
Yeah!
Yeah! Everybody look. This is the saltwater battery I made. It has wires in the middle and a tiny light bulb too. See, when we put the magnesium strip and the aluminum strip in the salt water, it lights up.
So which one is the magnesium strip?
This one is the magnesium strip. This one is the aluminum strip.
Oh, thanks for explaining. It sounds like magic, but it isn't magic. It's actually a really fun science experiment.
Yep. Today we're really going to test it out.
Hey, little sis, what happened? Why did the water turn so green?
Because they're having a chemical reaction. It's making bubbles too. Those bubbles are hydrogen gas. Because the salt water has tiny little helpers that carry the electricity, we can't see them, but they're working super hard.
The salt water helps the electric current pass through more easily, and that's what gives the bulb a chance to light up.
So the salt itself isn't glowing. It's helping the electricity travel through. Big brother, look, the salt water is turning kind of green and kind of yellow.
That's one of the most interesting parts of science. It may look like magic, but there's always a reason behind it.
Now I have a question for everyone. Do you think the light bulb will stay on the whole time?
Or will it slowly get dimmer?
What would you choose? A, it will stay bright the whole time. B, it will get dimmer and dimmer. C, it depends on the water and how everything is connected.
Keep your answer in mind, and let's see whether you were right.
You guess first, I think it's C, because science experiments depend on lots of little details.
Now that you say that, I think C makes sense too. Why did it go off again? That's strange.
Maybe it's not that strange. It could be because the water is turning yellow. Oh, it's on again!
It looks like the reaction is almost finished. The salt water has already turned greenish brown.
Ah, why there's white stuff too. I remember seeing blue before. Yep, there's still a little blue. That's how science experiments are. You play and observe at the same time, and you keep discovering new questions. Today's saltwater battery challenge was a success. Who knew a little cup of salt water could hide such a big science secret?
If you enjoyed our little science game, remember to subscribe and follow us.
Come back next time and do another science experiment with us. Bye-bye.